Whether you're figure skating, playing football, or running, your body will be using many different concepts that are involved with physics to get the job done. In this video, I will be discussing what specific physics concepts that cheerleaders use and how they use them. Okay, let's start with energy conservation. As you can see, the girls begin the routine by not moving, but when they start to move and dance around, their energy changes from gravitational potential energy, otherwise known as stored energy due to your position above the ground, to kinetic energy. There are two types of kinetic energy, rotational and translational. When the girls are spinning in the air, they have both because their bodies are both rotating while also falling back to the ground, creating rotational and translational kinetic energy. Even though the type of energy that they are using may change, they are still using the same amount of energy because energy is conserved and never lost when no outside forces are present, which occurs when they fall. Now let's take a look at work and power. Work is the change in energy, while power is how fast that change occurs. Work adds or subtracts energy to a system. When the girls throw one another into the air, they are creating work by adding energy to the system, and again when they catch the flyer by subtracting it. How fast the girls are throwing one another into the air and doing the movements is how much power is being created. It's now time for centripetal forces, or things rotating / moving in circles. A centripetal force is the force that makes objects, or in this case people, move in a circle. This force is always directed towards the center. The centripetal force that makes the girl spin is called torque. Torque is an applied force that causes rotation. When a girl is tossed up and she twists her shoulders, causing the rest of her body to rotate, her shoulders are what creates the torque. Next in rotation, no pun intended, is inertia. Inertia is the tendency of an object to resist motion changes. Moment of inertia, also known as rotational inertia, is an object's tendency to not rotate. While completing the routine, the girls have both. When the girls flip and spin, they need to apply a torque, which makes it easier for them to rotate. Sometimes a running start aids them in applying that torque to flip. You can see regular inertia take place in the routine when the base people catch the person that is in the air. When you see the legs bend to catch them, which absorbs the shock of the fall. This is forcing something to change, showing the resistance and them not wanting to move. To tie things up, we will end with Newton's first law. His first law states that an object in motion remains in motion and an object at rest remains at rest. We are especially able to see this when the girls get thrown into the air and come back down. If the girls at the bottom do not throw them up, then they will not go into the air. And if these same girls do not catch them, the girl that has just been thrown will now hit the floor.